before, and they actually turned out so good. So we thought we would share with you guys our like tips and tricks into making fried Oreos. Let's go. All right, so first off, we have some pancake mix. I forgot the name there for like a hot minute. So we have some pancake mix, and honestly, we're just gonna eyeball all of this because, you know, last time I made this, I also eyeballed it, so I don't really know exact instructions. I think that should be enough. Okay, so like two spoons. Okay, next up, we're gonna crack an egg. This helps with the consistency, and it just makes it like more like easier for it to like attach onto the Oreo. So let's crack it a little bit. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a little eggshell in there. So now we're just gonna mix it. And if we need to, we can always add more of anything that we need. Okay, you can use water next, you can use milk, you can really use anything. But we are gonna use milk. So, I'm gonna pour a little bit at a time because we're not 100% sure how much we need. You can add more depending on how many Oreos you want to do. Okay, so this is the consistency right now of our batter. So this is how liquidy we have it. And you can add more or less milk depending on like what you want kind of. So we're gonna add some oil onto our pan. Wait, first actually, we're gonna heat it up a little bit. Not too much because you don't want your Oreos to burn.
Make sure you have a doll with you.
Huh?
I said, make sure you have a doll with you.
Oh yeah. So, because you don't want to do this without parent supervision, I have my mom here, and she's gonna help out.
Yes, I'm right here.
Yes. So, here we have the Oreos. Okay, and just gonna...
The oil is a little bit more.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna keep these in there. I'm just gonna put like
Really warm.
2, and I'm just gonna cover it in. You do want to wait a little bit till your pan is hot to put the Oreos in. So our pan is heated up a lot. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna take the Oreos, so it doesn't like drip a lot, and we're just gonna, don't throw them because it's gonna create a huge splatter. Just gently put it into the pan. Okay.
Except don't throw them in the pan.
Yeah, don't throw them in the pan.
Because then they're gonna get
You want to get as much on it as you can without it like dripping off that much. Now we're gonna put the powdered sugar.